Welcome to another Joe's Credit Tip of the Week. This week we're talking about rebuilding credit again. Specifically, we're looking at different types of credit and what actually helps rebuild your credit and what doesn't. Because I actually recently had a situation with a client that thought he was rebuilding his credit using credit cards that were active in his name. However, there was no rebuilding credit happening at all. And because of that, he's stuck with a higher interest rate on his renewal, unfortunately. So let's take a look at this example and let's make sure it doesn't happen to you, okay? So looking at rebuilding credit, what we need is when you're coming out of a consumer proposal or a bankruptcy specifically, you're not going to have a good credit score and you're going to have a bankruptcy application on your record. So that's the date you apply for your bankruptcy or consumer proposal, and that's the date that's going to be on your record. So what we need to make sure of is you need to be discharged from that consumer proposal or bankruptcy, and there's going to be a date for that. So say that date is January 1st, 2024, right? So you have to then apply for new credit and have that credit granted to you, and then start using that credit successfully for a period of at least 1 year before you can be considered someone that has been rebuilding their credit. And what I want you to make sure of is specifically in this case for my client, they got a credit card between their consumer proposal date that they applied for it and the discharge date. So before January 1st, 2024, and they were using that credit card to establish their credit. However, that didn't count, even though there was a few years worth of credit card payments on that credit card. What the banks want to see is a credit card that is extended to you after your consumer proposal or bankruptcy discharge date specifically. So that is your credit tip of the week. I hope that helps you. And for more videos on consumer proposals and rebuilding your credit and all that, like my channel and search my videos for these kinds of topics. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks very much.